A good climate is everything. And here are some tips to get comfortable in BMWs with BMW Operating System X. For a comfortable interior climate when you get in, use the preconditioning function in advance in the climate menu under Additional Settings. Ideally, activate it while charging to save energy consumption while driving. The automatic climate control regulates the temperature and airflow intelligently, according to your set temperature, with a focus on heating the footwell if necessary, and a cool breeze in the upper area. So in order to keep comfortable feet and a cool head, it's best to keep the climate control in auto mode, AC on, and adjust temperature or flow strength if it feels too warm or too cold for you. You can adjust the air vents to direct or indirect as you prefer. At warmer outside temperatures in summer, you can achieve the best climate comfort by opening all air vents and choosing the direct setting, or adjusting the airflow direction manually towards your upper body while the climate control is cooling down the interior temperature. When your set air conditioning temperature is reached, the airflow is automatically reduced. To mitigate a warm radiance from the panoramic roof, manually set the air vents above your head. And when it's cold outside? If not already activated in auto mode, activate seat and steering wheel heating to warm up as quickly as possible. In the additional climate settings, you can select the surface heating intensity level. For warm feet and a clear view in winter, the automatic climate control focuses on warm airflow in the footwell and defrosting the windshield. When your set temperature is reached, the airflow is automatically reduced.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?